Hello and welcome to my loft, and today I want to do a short video on High Speed 2. Before I get to that, I would really appreciate if you could like, subscribe and watch the video all the way to the end, as this really helps my YouTube standings. Anyway, back to the video. It's really frustrating that we seem to have a lot of politicians and media who don't seem to know many facts about High Speed 2. So I thought today I would make a video just to demonstrate how over time trains have gone much faster and the benefits of High Speed 2 compared with trains to Birmingham and elsewhere in the UK. This is a Class 110 diesel multiple unit DMU running at 75 miles an hour. First came out in the 1950s, a little slow on the acceleration. Next up is a Sprinter, 4 classes. This is a Class 156, I think. Top speed 75 miles an hour. Here we have Mallard, the A4 Pacific at 80 miles an hour, 90 miles an hour certainly on the level. This speed could be done in the 1930s. The Intercity 125 high-speed train, Class 43, on the West Coast Main Line. What a quantum jump in speed. Intercity 225, East Coast Main Line, doing 140 miles an hour, although even now signalling limits it to 125 miles an hour. Virgin Pendolino, Class 390, 125 miles an hour due to signalling. But let's see what it's like at 140 miles an hour. This is what it should be doing. The next train is the long-awaited High Speed 2 model 00 gauge at 186 miles an hour. You may have noticed it's Pendolino, but please don't laugh. It will be produced at some point. This is High Speed 2 at 225 miles an hour. Pretty impressive, unlike the model. Let's take a look at my local main line in South Kent and Sussex. Class 313, top speed 75 miles an hour, 43 years old. Capita Star, top speed 75 miles an hour. Class 465, top speed 75 miles an hour. This is a Class 373 on the third rail, top speed 75 miles an hour. You may notice I've joined together some Sprinters, but I don't have the correct rolling stock. Here is a steam special that, funny enough, ran through Staplehurst last month, both limited to 75 miles an hour. This is Tornado, pulling 13 coaches at 90 miles an hour on the Staplehurst line. First in service in 2009, is actually rated to 100 miles an hour. And oh look, a steam train designed in 1948, overtaking the commuters of today. The problem is, of course, the third rail. It can only provide so much power at 750 volts. Off to parts of North Kent, but definitely not Sussex. This is a Javelin, Class 395 on the third rail, 75 miles an hour. But on High Speed 1, with the overhead power, 140 miles an hour. And this is comparing a Pendolino at 125 miles an hour against a typical southeastern train. Just look at the difference in speed. An average speed of 67 miles an hour in 1935, London to Newcastle. Look at London to Staplehurst today, in 2023. High Speed 2 has become so expensive. In fact, what's incredible, you could have doubled the motorway network for the same cost. But of course, you make your own mind up over the High Speed 2. I hope you enjoyed that. It's just quite nice to use my trains just to see how fast trains should be going and can go. Hope to see you another time. Bye.